At Painless Forms, we know that you're too busy to drop everything and change your procedures, and that's why we offer easy integration. For example, you could start benefiting immediately by simply adding a link on your website for patients who want the convenience of online forms, and all the while continue to use a clipboard in your waiting room. Over time, you can use the system more and more at your pace. Perhaps you'll want to use Painless Forms for new patients who tend to have more paperwork. Or maybe you'll want to give the option of a tablet in your waiting room for patients who prefer a tablet over a clipboard. Painless Forms is a scalable and flexible tool, and the choice is yours to use it in any way that works best for your office. In less than 10 minutes, we can show you a quick demo customized using your exact forms. Just click the Request a Demo link to get started.